guys, welcome back to my channel once again. So today we are gonna do a different video. First I'll just introduce who are sitting with me. So this is Gino and this is my husband. I'm introducing him first time on my channel. So yeah, this is him. And this is our friend Arvind. He is gonna be the quiz master in our game. So I'll tell you a very brief idea about the game. It's like how well do we know each other, and the twist in this game is that if the question is on me and if I'm answering wrong, then we have some 20 eggs here. He's gonna take one egg and smash it on my head. So yeah, that's the twist, and that is the whole game, and he's gonna ask the questions. We both don't know what the questions are. He has prepared it on his own. So let's get started. So here goes the first question.
So the first question is, what is a personality trait that Gino dislikes about himself?
Okay.
Okay, can we see the answers?
Okay.
Hey.
What is it?
Okay, that looks alike.
He gets angry a lot, but then he cools down fast. But he gets angry for silly reasons as well. So yeah, I do not like that trait about him.
Okay, the next question is to Gino. When did Maria start her YouTube handle or page?
This is so exciting. Just a year, no?
Yeah. Can we see the answer? Okay.
Kanchi? He's wrong. I started in 2016 September.
It's been 3 years.
Yes.
What am I supposed to do right now?
Ooh!
Okay, now she's supposed to bash
So
the
I'm
egg.
gonna, bash the
That was
egg
my
on him.
first question.
So I'm just gonna smash an egg.
Okay, that was a gooey one. Very gooey one. Sorry, dude.
This is exciting.
This is my pillow, right?
So I don't know.
I'm supposed to do the same thing back to you.
You get a chance, man. Third question is to Maria. What is Gino's zodiac sign?
Shit.
Can't get it.
Yeah.
It's Virgo. I know that.
Okay, let's go.
Shit, man. I just lost another chance.
Okay, we got that right. So the next question is to Gino. What does she mostly look forward to most about the weekend? Okay, can we see the answers?
Coffee day. Yeah, that's kind of same.
Yeah, that's kind of same.
Oh, yeah. Okay. We'll pass this.
Okay.
Thank God.
The next question is to Maria. What is his favorite hobby?
So many hobbies are there. I'm pretty sure what you know. I'm not right there.
Chino, that's not.
Shit. Yeah. Okay.
Can we see the answers?
What is it?
What is that?
Shimmer.
What is your show? Enne Kanchi.
Okay.
Kanchi? Oh God. Only to bash an egg on me, you're doing this.
Trust me.
It is
No,
all-
it's
Okay,
a.
okay. I'll give you a justification for this. Tavla.
Uh,
I go there every day.
okay.
I hang out with my friends.
Yeah.
And that's something that I love to do every day. Okay?
Okay.
And biking, I used to do. I don't have a bike right now.
Ah.
So it's not a hobby anymore, right?
So the first
Be very എല്ലാവർക്കും ബെഡയിലൊക്കെ തെറിക്കാലോ. Be very kind, please.
എന്നിട്ട് കൂടി സ്റ്റൈൽ So the next question for Gino, what is her favorite dress from her wardrobe? Okay, can we see the answers?
You never wear.
I never wear, but what's my favorite? Obviously Western. You should know this.
You love to wear these dresses and all for wedding.
Most disgusting people out there. Right now. Yeah, mileage തോന്നുന്ന The next question is to Maria.
Okay.
Name the company which Gino worked for while you were in Saudi. Okay, can we see the answers?
What is that? Training and staff development. What the hell is that? Name of the company or staff?
Seriously?
Yes.
Okay, the next question is to Gino. What is her favorite flavor of ice cream?
Strawberry and no, doesn't eat strawberry much.
Who told you? Who told you? I don't know. Pink color.
No, you won't.
Can we see the answers?
Yeah. Yeah. What's the spelling, Marie?
Chocolate.
Because ഇങ്ങനെ പതുക്കെ എഴുതുമ്പോ
ആ.
ഞാൻ എഴുതുന്നത്
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
അമ്മേക്ക് ചോക്ലേറ്റ് കിട്ടും.
The next question is to Maria. Where or when did you take the first picture with Gino?
Okay.
Can we see the answers?
What did you write?
Yeah.
Memories.
Yeah.
So Memories is a hotel.
Yeah, Memories is a restaurant name. So we went there for our first date and we clicked a picture.
Okay. The next question is to Gino. What is her least favorite housework task?
Okay, I think you know this. You only do this instead of me. It's going to be on camera.
Come on.
He does it. I do not like to do.
She's made me the kakus.
ഒരു മിനിറ്റ് എന്തോ കേട്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്.
Cleaning bathroom. Bathroom
Yeah,
cleaning.
I do not like to
Cleaning
clean
bathroom.
bathrooms.
Bathroom cleaning.
Yeah,
Getting a
he
training.
does it.
So,
He always does it.
seriously, I've just done it like.
Oh.
No, you
The next question is to Maria. What does Gino prefer? Bright colors or neutral colors? He gave you no option. Okay, can we see the answer?
He likes all neutral colors. He doesn't
Okay.
go for bright, and he doesn't let me also use bright colors. But I.
Nothing like that.
It's very male bashing.
You
It's
say
very
it.
male bashing.
It is not male bashing. I don't tell you to wear whatever I. What?
You clean the bathroom, I keep quiet.
Okay, the next
Okay,
question.
1 second. She's that person who doesn't give a shit even if the bathroom is really filthy.
Okay.
She'll just go there and do whatever she likes. Huh?
No,
I'm that person who
No,
likes
this
cleanliness,
is completely
so I clean
wrong.
it. Yeah?
I make fun of
Yeah,
her
next
doing it.
question.
The next question is to Gino. Name a country which she would love to visit.
It's Seychelles. Come on!
Pura. From the day we have started dating, I have been telling you, it's my dream to visit that island.
It's dripping, Marie.
Let me prepare first.
G-Shock. From motor shop.
Next question is to Maria.
Yes.
What is the one thing about you that irritates Gino? Can I see the answers?
Yeah. Telling things when I'm angry. Telling bad things when I'm angry.
Yeah.
Hurtful
Same.
words when angry.
Okay.
So it's simple.
Okay.
Which is bad.
Okay, the next question is to Gino. If she could open any kind of business, what would it be? Can we see the answers?
Yeah. Makeup and beauty stuff.
Okay. Next question is to Maria. When did Gino confess his love or interest for you?
So date.
Yeah, it should be a date, year, or if it's a place, you can mention.
Kanji? 27th Feb 2015.
Next question is to Gino. How many piercings does your partner have? Can you see the answers?
7.
7.
Okay.
Show me.
Told about this.
1.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Shit,
5, 6, 7.
Again.
Wait.
That's not okay.
Okay. This question is to Maria.
Yes.
Does Gino have any kind of phobia? If yes, name one.
Phobia.
Like, is he scared of something?
Yeah.
Like or is he a fearless man?
I am a fearless man. Okay. I'm scared of heights.
Okay.
Okay, he's also scared of ghost talks and all.
Okay, ghost is not actually a phobia, but height is.
Okay.
So,
Legends. Chance for me to end this once and for all.
this is the end game.
The end game.
And makeup le veralla athre It was very loud. बहुत वेरा दे रहा है यार एप्पड़ वेंगी उसको आ टिश्यूस ना तेरे आയിരുന്നെങ്കിൽ
Tissue.
The last question. This is actually a common question.
So this is the last question.
Yeah, this is the last and final question, and this is a common question, and I believe that this is the most essential question. I mean, egg doesn't come here. Yeah,
okay
there's no egg. Face yourselves the 3 things you like about each other.
his humor sense I love that the most because he makes me laugh a lot. Second one
Nothing. I'm worthless.
he's very honest.
Honest.
Whatever he does, even if it's wrong, he comes and admits it. So yeah, honesty.
That's
Third, huh?
Yeah.
Third one will be he's very family oriented, and I love the fact about him that he cares for everyone. He cares genuinely, not fake and all. He genuinely cares for family and friends. So, and he helps also. So yeah, these are the 3 qualities that I really
Quality.
Quality.
Such.
I love about him.
Yeah, she is down to earth. She's down to earth. That's 1. 2 is caring.
Yeah.
Another quality that she has, when she takes a decision, it's strong. She takes really strong decisions.
The best decision.
This decision was a marriage. Probably.
So that was the last question, and yeah, that was pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this game with us, the egg throwing and all. And also thanks to our friend Arvind who took such a big effort for coming for us to our house and helping us with this. So yeah, huge thanks to him. And also I'll be mentioning his Instagram. Also, I'll be mentioning his Instagram handle in the description box in case if you're interested in any automotive stuff. Please do follow him. If you're gonna see any Jeep Compass stuff, go follow him.
If you're obsession for the color black.
So yeah, that's it for the video. I'll see you guys. We'll see you guys in our next video. Until then, take care.
Bye bye.